Hi everyone, my name is Alina. To everybody who's going through some financial trouble right now owing to the situation of the world and whatever is going on, I know a lot of people are losing their jobs and they are looking for options to work online. To everybody who does not know that about me, I work online and I have made my entire career online. I often make these videos to help you people with these amazing new ideas of making money online. And this is one of those videos which is going to guide you with one such idea. It's a very known company already. The name of the company is QMath. Okay, it is an organization which helps you earn money working from home. It is a genuine organization. I have seen a lot of advertisements before, and that is how I got to know about it. And I was planning to make this video for a very long time. Even received a lot of comments asking for a video on this topic. Finally doing this one for you, and I hope that it helps you in taking an informed decision with your life. So let's talk about QMath for a while. QMath used to be offline earlier, but now they are into online business. They used to provide classes for mathematics for students up till class 10th. Okay, so primary level math classes they used to provide. And how the things used to happen were that once you enroll yourself with QMath, and then there is this fee of around 9,000 rupees which you have to pay. They provide you with a kit. Okay, so there's a kit that is provided to you. Along with that, they provide you with a teacher's training to become an educator. Okay, because becoming a teacher is not very easy. It's not very easy. It takes you time to understand how things work. And I am a teacher myself, and I know it takes you a hell lot of time to understand the psyche of the students and how you should be behaving with the students and how things should look like when you are taking a class. It takes you time to understand those things. So they provide you with the training to become an educator. Okay, apart from that, there are other infrastructural facilities also which I will talk about a little into the video. Okay, so let me first give you the idea what you have to do. Once you enroll yourself, okay, they will provide you with the kit and they will get you started with the training. Okay, and then they will provide you with students, and this is for people who can teach math. Okay, so you need to know math, you need to understand math, and you need to have a flair for math. Okay, and that is obviously when you will be able to teach math. Only then you will be able to work with them. Okay, and they also provide the worksheets. They will help you with, there is a whole portal for online test and everything. So once you start teaching with them, the students will be able to take tests online. Okay, so there is a facility of taking online tests. All right, then there is a parent app also, a Q Parent app. The parents of the students you are teaching can get in touch with you through the Q Parent app, and they can monitor the progress of their child, and you can hold meetings with the parents on that application, through that application. Okay, so that is how things work. Apart from that, I feel that, I have read a lot of online reviews about them, and I have seen that people are indeed making decent amount of money out of it. They are making somewhere between 20 to 50,000 rupees in a month. So the good thing is that the kind of money that you're going to make out of it is completely up to your own effort. What amount of time you're giving to it, okay, accordingly you will make money from it. And they pay even higher salaries for international students. The thing is that I don't like commuting. I do not like spending 2 hours of my day every day on the roads. So that is one reason I prefer working online. Plus, online working has absolutely no foundations. You can work from anywhere in the world. It's a very, very practical idea, and that is why I feel that even if you are doing something offline, side by side you should start building something for yourself online also. You never know when your plan B just becomes your plan A. I feel this may be a very good opportunity for people who are looking to work online. You can actually start, but of course you need to possess that knowledge of mathematics to start with these classes. All right, because I understand mathematics is not everybody's good area. So if you are good with math, then this opportunity is definitely for you, and I feel that it is quite a good opportunity to start with if you're looking to build a career for yourself online. So they already have 5,000 plus centers all around India, and they have more than 40,000 students who are enrolled with them. You will be trained by QMAT to become a QMAT certified teacher. You will get the opportunity of not just teaching the Indian students but also the international students, and along with that they will also be providing you assistance with your teaching skills, your monitoring, marketing. Then they will also help you with upskilling. So all these things you're going to be receiving from QMath as a support. The link for becoming a math teacher with QMath has been provided to you in the description box. Go take a look. You would need a graduation degree, okay, but the graduation need not be in mathematics. No, that's not the requirement. The only thing is that you need to be a graduate to start working with them, okay. It is an online teaching company, as I told you that they were earlier offline but now online, since because of this lockdown thing around the country and around the world. Actually, a lot of businesses are shifting to online medium, and I think this may be a good opportunity for you also to consider shifting your stuff online and start considering of building a career online, because it's safer that way. It is definitely safer, and it is kicking off. A lot of people are starting their work online, and a lot of people, actually a lot of my own friends I've seen, are now starting to build something online. This is the right time for you also to build something online, okay. Do not delay. As I always say, that if somebody has to take my advice, I would never suggest offline work. I will always suggest do something online. I have always been a fan of online work because it provides you with a lot of independence and a lot of freedom. So guys, I really think that you should actually give this one a thought, okay. And if you have any queries, let me know on the comments. I would love to help you out. And apart from that, you can also get in touch with me on Instagram, but comments would be better if you have a query, okay. That's it. I'll come back with some more new ideas, and we will carry on with this conversation, okay. You take care of yourself. I will see you again very soon. Bye.